Imagine looking up at the sky, and witnessing not one, but two breathtaking eclipses in the same month, a rare cosmic spectacle that won't happen often. This is set to become one of the most unforgettable months for skywatchers around the world. First, a magnificent total solar eclipse will transform daytime into an eerie twilight, revealing the sun's dazzling corona to lucky observers along its path. Then, just 16 days later, the moon will put on a dramatic show as it slips deep into Earth's shadow, glowing with a mysterious reddish hue during a stunning partial lunar eclipse. Why is this eclipse season so special? Where can you see these incredible events, and what makes them a must-watch for every astronomy lover? Stay with us until the end as we uncover everything you need to know about the extraordinary celestial double feature of August 2026. For centuries, eclipses have fascinated humanity. Ancient civilizations saw them as mysterious signs in the sky, while modern science has revealed them as some of the most predictable and beautiful events in astronomy. These spectacular moments happen because of a precise cosmic alignment between the Sun, Earth, and Moon. In August 2026, skywatchers around the world will have the opportunity to witness an extraordinary sequence of events, a total solar eclipse followed just 16 days later by a deep partial lunar eclipse. This rare eclipse pair will make August 2026 one of the most exciting months for astronomy enthusiasts. The first event will transform daytime skies as the moon completely covers the sun along a narrow path across Earth. The second will occur at night, as Earth's shadow moves across the moon, causing a dramatic darkening and a possible reddish glow. Together, these two eclipses will showcase the incredible precision of our solar system. The journey begins on August 12, 2026, when a total solar eclipse will occur. A solar eclipse happens when the moon passes directly between Earth and the sun, blocking sunlight from reaching certain parts of our planet. Although the moon is much smaller than the sun, it can completely cover the solar disk because of a remarkable coincidence. The sun is about 400 times larger than the moon, but it is also about 400 times farther away from Earth. The total solar eclipse will not be visible from the entire world. The path of totality is narrow because the moon's shadow covers only a small portion of Earth's surface. The eclipse path will begin in the Arctic region before moving through areas including Greenland, Iceland, parts of the Atlantic Ocean, northern Spain, parts of Portugal, northern Russia. People outside the path of totality may still see a partial solar eclipse, where the moon covers only part of the sun. Large areas of Europe and surrounding regions will have the opportunity to observe some level of partial eclipse. One of the most important facts about solar eclipses is that they must be viewed safely. Looking directly at the sun during the partial phases can cause serious and permanent eye damage because sunlight can harm the retina without causing immediate pain. Just over 2 weeks after the solar eclipse, another spectacular event will unfold. On the night of August 27 to 28, 2026, the moon will pass through Earth's shadow in a deep partial lunar eclipse. Unlike a solar eclipse, a lunar eclipse occurs when Earth moves between the sun and the moon. Earth's shadow falls across the lunar surface, creating a visible darkening effect. The August 2026 lunar eclipse will be a deep partial eclipse, meaning that a large portion of the moon will enter Earth's darkest shadow, known as the umbra. Approximately 93% of the moon's diameter will be covered by the umbral shadow, making it one of the most dramatic partial lunar eclipses of the decade. Although it will not be a complete lunar eclipse, the moon will appear significantly changed as Earth's shadow covers most of its surface. Will be visible across much of the world, including Africa, Europe, Scandinavia, Iceland, parts of Greenland, Antarctica, most of North and South America, and the eastern Pacific Ocean. Unlike a solar eclipse, a lunar eclipse is completely safe to watch with the naked eye. No special glasses are required. Viewers can simply look toward the moon as the Earth's shadow slowly moves across its surface. One of the most fascinating aspects of lunar eclipses is the moon's color change. During deep lunar eclipses, the moon often takes on shades of orange, red, or copper. This happens because Earth's atmosphere acts like a giant filter. When sunlight passes through Earth's atmosphere, shorter blue wavelengths are scattered away, while longer red wavelengths continue through the atmosphere and are bent toward the moon. This filtered red light reaches the lunar surface, creating the famous blood moon appearance. The exact color can vary depending on conditions in Earth's atmosphere, including dust, clouds, and volcanic particles. Why are these two eclipses happening so close together? The reason these events occur only 16 days apart is connected to the geometry of the moon's orbit. The moon's orbit around Earth is tilted by about 5 degrees compared with Earth's orbit around the sun. Because of this tilt, the moon usually passes slightly above or below the sun's position during a new moon, and slightly above or below Earth's shadow during a full moon. However, several times each year, the sun aligns closely with the points where the moon's orbit crosses Earth's orbital plane. These points are called lunar nodes. When this alignment occurs, an eclipse season begins. During an eclipse season, conditions are favorable for both solar and lunar eclipses. A solar eclipse occurs during a new moon phase, while a lunar eclipse occurs during a full moon phase. Since these phases are separated by about 2 weeks, two eclipses can happen close together. Together, these two celestial events make August 2026 one of the most exciting months for astronomy enthusiasts, offering a rare opportunity to experience both a spectacular daytime solar eclipse and a stunning nighttime lunar eclipse within the same eclipse season. As August 2026 comes to an end, these two extraordinary eclipses will remind us just how dynamic and beautiful our universe truly is. A total solar eclipse and a deep partial lunar eclipse occurring within only 16 days is a rare opportunity for millions of people to witness the precision of celestial mechanics in action. Whether you travel into the path of totality to experience the sun's dazzling corona or simply step outside to watch the moon slowly disappear into Earth's shadow, these moments are sure to become unforgettable memories. These events are more than beautiful displays. They are demonstrations of science, showing how accurately we can predict the movements of celestial bodies millions of kilometers away. For those standing beneath the darkened sky during totality, or watching the copper-colored moon rise during the lunar eclipse, August 2026 will become a memory that lasts a lifetime. The universe is always moving, always changing, and sometimes, for a brief moment, it creates a spectacle that brings millions of people together. In August 2026, the sky will tell a story written by the precise dance of the sun, earth, and moon, a story that everyone has the chance to witness. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up, the universe always has another wonder waiting to be discovered.